Today, if you want to money, develop these four qualities within yourself. If you have these four qualities, money become your servant, your employee. Money will work for you, not there other any rounds. So that what are these four qualities? The first quality is health. If you want to make money, you need to be physically and mental health. If your health is poor, how will you earn money? And even if you do make money, if you are not healthy, how will you enjoy it? The truth is, you will not be able to enjoy the wealth you have earned. That's why good health is the foundation of a finance success. The second quality of your money is a respect. If you want to money, you must earn respect. Respect should be one of your core value. But first, we need to understand that what values, what true respect really means. Many people think respect comes from driving an expensive car, show off, and owning luxury houses. This is not where real respect comes from. Someone once asked Hazrat Maula Ali, where has God placed honor? He replied, people think honor lies in wealth, but God has placed honor in serving others. When you help people, make life easier for them, and serve your community, God grants your respect. The third quality, and what is your third quality? The third quality is skill. If you want to money, ask yourself, do I have a valuable skill? If you possess a skill, you can go anywhere in the world and earn a living. You will not need to depend once another or begging for opportunity. A skilled person make money work for them. So what are the first three qualities? Number one is health. Number two is respect. Number three is skill. The fourth quality is influence. Your resource, your network, your reach, and your ability to create an impact. When you constantly work to first three quality, the fourth begins to develop naturally. People start listening to you. Your phone call get answered. Your recommendation carry weight, and eventually your name becomes a trusted brand. Once you all four quality money natural start flowing into your life, just as 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. In the same way, health plus respect plus skill plus influence is equal to money. But always remember, money is not a purpose of life. It is a resource. If you want to have a money, you can buy Suzuki car. If you some more money, you can buy a Toyota car. If you have even more, you can buy a Bentley car or Ferrari. Money is a convertible resource. You can exchange if it is it for whatever you need. So learn to use money, but never become a slave to it. Once a favorite quotation, Hazrat Maula Ali says, the luckiest person in the world is the ones who use money to earn people love, and unluckiest person is the one who use people to earn money. Sadly, today we often see the opposite. Deceived brother for a money. Husband cheat their wives, and wives cheat their husband. People cross every moral lines of wealth. Family bonds become weak, trust disappear, and relationship break down because people begin use other to make a money. Real success is when people saying, this is someone you can trust. This is someone who will never sell their value for a money. Finally, this powerful quotation, Dr. Abdul Kalam Azad, and that I truly admired. Someone once asked them, what is the easiest way to change your destiny or luck? He replied, no one is in the world can directly change another person's destiny, but they can help change their habits. When a person habit change, their destiny change. Habit change when thinking change. Change your thinking and your habits will change. Change your habits and your action will change, and change your action and your result will change. And when your result change, your destiny change. And that is exactly what I wish for you, and that your thinking change, your habit improve, your action become better, your result transfer, and make God change your destiny for your better. Thank you very much. You watching my, I really been appreciated.